Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Park the trailer on level ground and chock the wheels for safety. Gather tools now: 3/8 ratchet, 10 mm wrench, 1/8 punch, pliers, and a small hammer. Lower the coupler onto a stable jack or stand before working under it. Remove any dust cover or ball mount cover with gloved hands. Locate the retaining clip or roll pin at the back of the lock housing. Remove the clip with pliers or punch and hammer, working carefully. Insert the existing key, turn it 90 degrees, and pull the cylinder straight out. Before fitting the new lock, wipe the housing clean and remove debris. Apply a light coat of marine grease to the cylinder body and cam surfaces. Align the lock cam precisely with the latch mechanism inside the coupler slot. Slide the new cylinder straight into the housing until it seats fully and cannot go further. Reinstall the retaining clip or roll pin into its original position to hold the cylinder. Tighten any set screw to 25 pounds using a torque driver for a secure fit. Test the installed lock by inserting the key and cycling it 3 times slowly. Confirm the cam turns smoothly and the latch fully engages on each cycle. Spray a small amount of WD-40 into the keyway to displace moisture and lubricate moving parts. Wipe away any excess lubricant to avoid attracting dirt and grit. Reinstall any dust cover or ball mount and ensure the retaining clip is fully seated. Verify the hitch pin protrudes approximately 2 inches past the shank for correct
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.